Are you serious?
Oh, wow, she literally just ate cardboard.
That's embarrassing.
I feel so bad, but so delighted at the same time. Hi, welcome to Sephora Countdown. I'm your host and beauty director, David, and today we are joined by our brave contestant from the Sephora squad, the beautiful Sam. How are you?
I'm okay, David. How are you?
I'm good. Now, I've heard that you've done your makeup in the middle of the field in the pitch black of night. Like, what's this all about?
I do anything.
I love that. That's exactly the energy we need for today. So you ready for challenge one?
Yes.
This is the treasure hunt. So I'm gonna call out products and you're gonna have to find them on the wall behind us, and you have a minute to get all of them and put them down here. So I'm gonna call them out and you gotta go find them.
Okay.
Ready? And start with Sephora Collection Lashes in Feisty. Sephora Collection Lashes. Oh, she's good. Okay, up next, we are looking for the setting powder in shade 1 from One Size.
Shade 1 from One Size.
One Size, shade 1. Okay, keep looking. Oh, we got it, we got it, we got it. Okay, Proteini Peptide, the moisturizer from Drunk Elephant. I'm not gonna make it easy for you. Okay, so the Triclone Skin Tech Foundation from House Labs in the shade 240 Light.
Oh, goodness sake, 240 shade light.
240 Light from House Labs. House Labs, House Labs.
It's here?
Oh,
It's
foundation,
here?
it's there, it's
What do
there.
you mean?
It might be in a box. Look at a box. That is not a foundation box. House Labs, Triclone Skin Tech
250?
240 Light. Keep going, keep looking elsewhere.
There's
Right in front of you.
What do you mean? Oh!
Oh, time is up.
No. How did I miss that? It was right in front of me. That's embarrassing. Oh my God. It was right here. I just literally picked this up.
I was expecting you to get more than that.
You know, I was looking for the actual bottle. It blended in so
Oh my
nicely.
God. Okay, well, you got 4 products, which is okay. It is definitely not the winning amount that was needed. You kind of didn't even come close, but it was a good effort. It was a good effort, sweetheart. So you don't win the prize for this one, but we are gonna move on to the next challenge, which you might win, okay?
Okay. I hope so.
All right, let's bring in challenge 2. Had you successfully completed challenge 1, you would have gotten all of these off the wall. But here's your chance for redemption, okay? Your next challenge is you will have 1 minute to unbox all of these products. I think you can do this. Tear away at them as long as they're out of the box. You destroy the box if you need to. Just get them out of the box in 1 minute and you get to win the prize. I have faith in you. I'm rooting for you. I'm cheering. So we're gonna get 1 minute on the clock. Get yourself ready and go. Yes, go for it, go for it, go for it. Okay, going for the hardest one. Yes, yes, yes. Smarter, not harder, girl. Smarter. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good, 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 good. Keep going. Okay, okay. Yes. Oh, wow, she literally just ate cardboard. It's healthy for you. I hear it's fiber. That's really good. Oh, and that's a signed one. 30 seconds, come on, you got this going. You got this going.
Are you kidding? David!
You got this, you got this, you got this. Oh, the nails are getting in the way. But you got it, yes. Yes, 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 it's good, it's out. Good, go, go. Yup, yes, that was an easy one. Yes, there you go, now you got the method. Go, good, throw it, I don't care. Yes, good, yes, good. Okay, you got this. Okay, I have faith in you. Just get them out of the box. Yeah, go, go. Yes. Come on, you have a little bit more time. You got a little bit more time. We're gonna lose a tooth here. God, time ran out. Oh, you were close. Oh, you were so close. That was like really not close enough. Sam, you did incredible. I mean, I'm super impressed, but unfortunately you didn't get all of them opened. But we still have one more challenge that you can redeem yourself on. I have so much faith in you. I'm your biggest cheerleader right now. You have no idea. So here's what it would have looked like had you successfully unboxed all the products. You did really good. You did very, very good, to be honest. But let's bring in challenge 3 now. Yes, exactly. So I'm gonna have you open that up. Unzip that. There's a surprise for you inside. Take a look. Nothing's gonna jump out.
Okay.
It's a sleeping mask.
You're serious?
Here's what we're gonna do. Trust me, I think you're gonna get this one, all
I
right?
can't trust you right now.
You can trust me. My faith is with you. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna call this Feel the Difference.
Oh my God.
All right. So we're gonna have you put the sleeping mask on, and I'm gonna call out some products, and you just have to figure out which one it is and put it into the bag. I think you got this. You got this. Got this. So, don your delightful sleeping mask. I have so much faith in you for this.
I have faith in myself, hopefully.
I do. I think this is your winning challenge. It feels lovely, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's calming, it's soothing, it's
I'm
getting you
very
into
relaxed.
the Zen mode right now. Good. Okay. So we're gonna have 1 minute. I'm gonna call out some products. Don't you cheat. We're gonna play 1 minute. You're gonna call out some products and you feel around in this tray and put them into this bag, okay?
Okay.
1 minute on the clock and start. A foundation. Okay, a pair of lashes. Oh, she's good. I told you, a moisturizer. Yes. An eyeshadow palette. Yes. And an eyeshadow brush. You did it! You did it in half the time! I told you were gonna get this one. You won.
I did?
Reveal your beautiful eyes. You did it! I told you this was your winning challenge. I knew this was gonna be it. So are you ready to hear what your prize is for winning this challenge?
Tell me.
You got the Orbe volumizing set to make your hair big and huge and gorgeous, which it already is. You're gonna love that product, right? Yes, there's a whole set. It's fantastic. I hope all of you enjoyed watching us really have fun today. Honestly, Sam has been an absolute joy. You are a rock star. Stay tuned for the next episode of Sephora Countdown, and we'll see you all soon. Bye, everyone.